Hey guys, it's Mike from Cornfield Customs, and I am here to teach you how to shape metal. What's up? This is Nick from Catskill Mountain Customs, and I'm here to teach you metal shaping.
I'm Chris Rush. I'm from Viper, and I'm here to teach you how to shape metal.
What's up guys, Noah the Hot Rod Kid from HRK Design. Today I'm here to teach you guys the fundamentals of metal shaping.
Hi, I'm Jared Clausen from Twisted Metal Sign Company, here to teach you to bead roll. Bailey kicks ass.
I came to the Bailey metal shooting class so I can learn how to properly bead roll. Get off your ass, get off the couch, get off the computer, quit watching YouTube. Come down here and take your own metal shaping class.
I'd love to have every bit of equipment that they offer.
I'm picking from Drift HQ in Florida, and Bailey kicks ass.
Yeah!